During apartheid, the Bantu speakers ought to understand each other at some level. How do you think this was possible? That's because the Bantu languages are sister languages and we can understand each other at some level. And I also bring this up to demonstrate why it is important to understand our neighbor's language. And that's why I taught myself how to speak some Spanish so I can get by and be able to communicate with my neighbors who spoke Spanish when I went to Weber State University. Now, back to Sesotho. If you learn Sesotho, it will make it easier for you to understand the sounds in Arabic. For example, the Sesotho khatezi. Khatezi is similar to the Arabic kheili mamnoon. And the French R is similar to the Sesotho mo. Oh, I'll see you in class.